this will be a nice quick walk-through room tour of the starboard side balcony room 12619 on the Pacific encounter. So we're on deck 12. So we'll start off as you walk in. You've got a nice big walk-in wardrobe area. Shelf unit with the safe. Nice shelf up the top. Life jackets. Some extra cool towels up there. Plenty of hangers. It's disembarkation day, so we're all packed, ready to go. It's into the bathroom. Fair size shower recess. The body wash and the shampoo. Some extra toilet paper and the rubbish bin. Full length mirror. The handsome husband doesn't come with the room. Nice big bed. That's my bed making abilities, not the room steward. You've got these lamps on either side of the bed with USB for charging. Nice big TVs. I think these have been upgraded since it was a princess ship. So under here you'll find the fridge. Doesn't keep stuff overly cold, but it's good to have it there. You can get bottles of water from your room steward as well. Another one of those bedside units attached to the writing desk. Lots of mirrors. Lots of mirrors all around the room. Only one of these chairs, but you've also got the chair there at the desk, so I think that's fine. And then the balcony. So when we've gone with Princess before, we've only ever had the cut-out metal balcony, but this glass one was quite nice. Being on deck 12, you're quite high up, so you don't hear the water as much as you would potentially on a lower deck. But yeah, here we are back in Brisbane. Tug's bringing us into position. Soon to go home. So that's room 12619 on the Pacific encounter, right back in Brisbane.